Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add payment methods on Shopify. And here's how it is done. Log in to Shopify. Open your Shopify admin dashboard by logging in. Go to Settings. Click on Settings in the lower left corner of the admin panel. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, click on Payments. Choose Payment Provider. Under Payment Providers, you'll see options for setting up payment methods. You can either use Shopify Payments. This is Shopify's built-in payment gateway. Click on Complete Account Setup to configure it. Add a third-party payment provider. If you prefer using a different provider like PayPal or Stripe, click on Choose a third-party provider and select your preferred provider from the list. Set up third-party payments providers. If you chose a third-party provider, follow the instructions to set up the integration. You will typically need to log into your account with that provider and connect it to Shopify. Enable alternative payment methods. Scroll down to the sections here. If you want to offer options like cryptocurrency or other payment methods, click Activate next to the methods you wish to add and follow the setup instructions. And make sure to save your recent changes. And that is everything you need to know about how to add payment methods on Shopify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.